Welcome back to MarkOneModels. In this episode, I'll be sharing the next installment in the Friend Build series. Today's build will be of my friend Will's 1976 Ford F250 Highboy. It's a really nice truck in person, so I felt it was worthy of a build. Our source kit for this is the AMT Boonie Boss. It's the right body and even comes with a storage bin in the side panel of the bed. But it's a two-wheel drive truck, so I needed an additional source kit for all the drivetrain. With that, I chose the Mobius Models 1972 F250 Ranger XLT with snowplow. Not only does this model have all the suspension, exhaust, and driveline, including the divorce transfer case like Will's Highboy has, but it is a very well-detailed kit that I'd end up using for several other portions of the build that I'll share as we go along. With the body, I'd said the AMT kit was definitely the right one to use. It's a long bed and has the storage bin in the bed. However, there were going to need to be a few changes to make it more accurate. Will's truck has a cab-mounted gas tank and after the rear wheel has a filler panel where an auxiliary tank could go. The kit instead has two fill caps in the bed, both before and after the rear wheel. These were relatively easy fixes. I used putty to fill in the front fill cap and drilled a hole in the cab for the cab-mounted tank and used the cab gas cap from the Mobius kit. The other issue was the storage bin on the passenger side. It was much larger than the actual bin on the Highboy, so I ended up scribing new panel lines and a latch for the correct size storage bin and filled in the incorrect lines with putty. All body panels were then finished in Tamiya TS7 Racing White. For other body-related issues, the front and rear bumpers from the Boonie Boss wouldn't work, since the front one had holes for a push bar, and the rear one wasn't remotely close to what Will's truck has. Again, the Mobius kit came to the rescue, as the front bumper was a match to Will's truck perfectly, and the rear would end up working nicely with a few tweaks. The Mobius rear bumper looks correct, but it did not have the raised ridges at the top, bottom, and middle of the bumper. I used some styrene rod to replicate all of these ridges. The Boonie Boss also had small door mirrors, but the Mobius kit had several larger choices, and I went with the ones that matched Will's Highboy best. I made the F250 badges for the cab, and the custom badges for underneath the rear side markers of the bed with decals. I finished up with Will's license plates and added a receiver under the rear bumper. For the interior, the Boonie Boss kit does the job well. The dash and interior tubs both match Will's truck perfectly. The steering column and steering wheel were a little soft on details, so I grabbed the ones from the Mobius kit. Will's truck has a cup holder mounted where the ashtray would be, so I replicated that with some styrene tube. Will's interior is the same white as the body, with a black floor and one black door card and one tan door card. The dash pad is also tan. Will's bench seat has an aftermarket seat cover on it, so I replicated that in Microsoft Paint and I made it as a decal to cover the whole bench. The cab has a black headliner and black sun visors, so I painted the interior roof black and added the sun visors from the Mobius kit. For the underpinnings, I painted the engine to match the Ford blue that Will's engine is, however I opted not to do any weathering on it and just kept it pristine looking. Will's 2-into-1 exhaust stops just before the rear axle and shoots down at the ground. I modified the stock Mobius exhaust by lopping off the pipes after the muffler, drilling the muffler, and taking a shortened curved pipe and inserting it into the muffler to complete the look. When it was done, I brought the truck over to Will's, and he was thrilled with it. We took some pics of it sitting on the hood of his truck to commemorate the event. You can see more of his Highboy as well as his other vehicles on his Instagram, and I'll share that in the description. This was another fun build, and I enjoyed making something for my friend to keep. So what are your thoughts on the build? What did you like best? What would you have done differently? I'd love to know your thoughts in the comments. Wasn't it cool that Mobius kit had so many great parts to use to make this build a success. I have several of their kits on my shelf for other builds that I want to do. Their manuals are incredible too, with different factory paint schemes even, so you can choose from. If you don't have one, but want to do a 60s or 70s Ford truck build, I strongly recommend picking up one for your collection. As always, if you've enjoyed this video, feel free to give a like and subscribe, and please share with your friends. That wraps things up for now. Stay tuned for more videos, both in and outside of the Friend Build series. And thank you for watching Mark One Models.